guys, it's Mama Teresa and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video guys, we are going to make a house tour. House tour tayo guys. Kasi we are here in, ayan, that's my brother's house. We are here in San Miguel, Baungon, Bukidnon. Happy birthday.
And this is our friends. Right there.
Yeah. Papakita ko sa inyo yung bagong na-acquire nila na bahay. Yan yung bahay nila. Yung nasa likod. So ngayon, meron silang, yung sa tapat naman nila dito, they're able to purchase it. Kasi nabenta siya ng may-ari. Sila yung nakapalit. Sila yung nakabili. Tour us in your new house, ha?
Yep.
Show us. Show us your new house. Sige. Una ta diri sa ubos.
Yep. Oy, sa ubos sa taon na.
Una ta diri. Okay. Where ta mag-start? Okay. Where's your CR? Oh, okay. That's your CR. Okay, and then?
We should go up.
Not yet, not yet. What about this?
It's broke.
Huh?
It's broke.
This is your living room. This is where you put your TV.
I did that.
This is where you put your TV, Junila.
Yeah.
And this room.
A bedroom.
Ah, okay. This is a bedroom.
This has no things in it.
Ah, okay. So this is the bedroom. And that's the lavabo. Okay, you will go. We'll go upstairs.
Come on. What?
Hoy, just hubo your chinilas daw.
Just hold by your chins. Yes. It's very dirt.
Okay, we really have to hubo our chinilas. Can I just bring my shoes going up? Ha? Pwede ra? Pwede ra, I will not hubo my chinilas.
Yep.
Uy,
Window.
careful. What did you say, Junila? Ah, okay. When you're scared, you just pray. Very good. Okay. So we can see. What can we see? We can see your house there, oh.
And the house.
Yeah, that's.
And your car.
Ah.
It's free windows.
Huh? What else? What else will you show us? Yeah, nice swing. So wala pa din siya nahuman. Pandayon pa dahil siya, guys. Butangan pa dahil siya, og. Bedroom. So this is bedroom. Okay, we're going down now. Ito daw?
There you see. There's new house. Bye. Let's go. We want you to meet.
Who are we going to meet? Meet who?
COVID-19. Lord, thank you sa akong birthday. Thank you for the blessing. Thank you for the gift of life. Amen.
Amen.
Amen.